back to Earthquake Ems. In today's video, we're going to be playing Never Have I Ever. So, it's going to be a super fun video. But before we get started, you guys need to know the rules. So, let's go. So, how I'm going to be doing is I'm going to pick a piece of paper out of the Star Wars cup right here. You see there's Darth Vader, and I don't know who that is, but comment down below if you know who that is. I know that's Darth Vader, but I don't know who that is, like the white guy. So I'm going to pull out a piece of paper from here. I've got tons in here. I have no idea what they are. So yeah, I have no idea what these are, and because my mom did them. And I have to answer I have as in I have done it, or never as in I've never did it before. So let's get started. So let's pull first piece of paper. I'm digging deep. First piece of paper out of the bowl is never have I ever used someone's toothbrush. That's a bit gross, and yeah. What if you used it on accident, which I haven't, so never. I've never used someone's toothbrush on accident, or like on purpose, or just using someone else's toothbrush. So let's do another one. Never have I ever been scared of the dark. Well, probably when I was a little kid, but I don't think, I'm not scared of the dark, or probably, I'll just say, I'll do medium. Like, I think I have when I was little, like, Mommy, I'm scared. But probably, I don't know, it's 50-50, so I'm just gonna put it 50-50. So I'm in between. So next one. Had gum in my hair. Never have I ever had gum in my hair. Nope, I've never had gum in my hair. Never. All these are never questions. Is that two? No, it's not. Never have I ever stayed in character all day. If you don't know what stayed in character means, it's like don't have a funny accent, or like being like a person, like say I was like, I talked like, that's cute, or like people talk like Miranda sings, and yeah. So I for the full day, no, never. I don't think I have ever talked like another person or being in character for the full day. Never have I farted and blamed it on someone else. I have. I definitely have. So, someone else, I have, when I was like really small, I remember, and it was Christmas time, and my cousin came over, and we were sitting on this couch, and I farted, and I said, "Ew, you stink." But then everyone's like, "Who's that?" And I was like, "Oh." And I just didn't blame. And then I went off into the kitchen and didn't do anything. Like, so I definitely have. Definitely. I have. Next question. How many is there? I don't know. Never have I ever eaten something cold because you were too lazy to heat it up. It sounds something like me, but I don't know. So, like, sometimes you get cold chips, like, since you're driving home, like, it's like you have to wait so long. Once you get it, then it's cold, so, but that's not like, you haven't heated it up. I don't know. I don't think I have ever did it, but sounds something like me, so yeah. Never have I ever flown in a helicopter. I have not. Wait, I've been in a helicopter, not flown in a helicopter, so never. I've never flown in a helicopter, but I've been in a helicopter. Next one. You guys must think this is a boring video because all it is snows. Never have I ever screamed because of a bug. Yes, I have screamed. When I was tiny, I was like 4 or 5, and I was playing in the pool, and then I saw this bug on my arm, and I was like, ah! And it's so weird. So I don't know what age I was. I was like this tiny. Never have I ever performed in a talent show. I have performed, but not like danced, but I'll just say this counts. And so I did a card trick in a talent show before. And yeah, but that's not really performing, but I still did it in a show, not a talent show, but still, but still, I think I got it, so yeah. We're down to a last, 10 or so, I don't know how many I've done. How many have I done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've done 9, I've almost done 10. Never have I ever searched for something while holding it in my hand. In your hand. Yes, I do it all the time, 5 times this week. Well, the week isn't over, but from Wednesday to Wednesday, Tuesday to Tuesday, because today's Tuesday. So I definitely have, because you see, and I sometimes look for scissors, and while I'm holding the scissors, guess what happens, guys? I wonder what. I say, oh, where are the scissors? And then I look for 5 minutes, then I glance, and then I find the scissors. Oh my, it's just, so I definitely have. Never have I ever had surgery. And I don't think I've had surgery, but I've had an MRI scan thing. And I've had a broken arm, but that's not surgery, so I don't know. So I've never had surgery. If you guys can see, never. Next one, this is the 4th last. Never have I ever blamed a fart on an animal. Yes, I actually have. So it was a month ago on my pet Daisy. We were sitting in the living room and at my granny's house, and guess what? I farted and I went like this. Ew! And Granny's like, what's that? And I go, Daisy did it! I was like, oh. Never have I ever thought of which dog you would like to be. Probably, yes, I have. And I would want to be a Cocker Spaniel, by the way. I don't know why, I just want to be. This is second last, guys. I have Cocker Spaniel and Mastiff. Never have I ever had food stuck in my teeth all day. Yes, you see when you're eating an apple and the skin, the part from the apple, not the inside, the part gets stuck in your teeth and you're pulling it out all day. Oh my gosh, it's so annoying. Last one. Never have I ever missed a high five. That is, yes, I have. I've definitely missed a high five. Don't let me tell you why. Because whenever I was doing when you do high fives and you're about to go like that, and then say this is my friend and this is me, you go doink, but then you skim and you're like, oh, I did it. And it's 10 times, and then finally you did it. Good job. So that's it. As you can see, the cup's empty, and here are all the questions. Tons of questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 questions. So yeah, hope you like this video of Never Have I Ever. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And hit the bell. Bye. And make sure you play this game. It's really, really fun. And make sure you tell the truth. It's really, really fun.